How to remove data in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your data. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here in your profile settings, here on the right hand side, you can see the settings option. Simply tap on settings. Now here, you'll be able to see the option called account security. Tap on account security. Now in order to remove all your data from Temu, here at the last option you can see a option called delete your Temu account. Simply tap on delete your Temu account. So make sure that you want to remove your account and remove all the data. So just tap on this agreement and simply tap on continue. Now you must choose a reason and tap on continue again. So this will remove all your data. So a verification code will be sent to your email and you can verify it and you'll be able to remove it all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.